What time shall we meet? 咱们几点见面 We 咱们 You will hear people say 我们 In our daily conversation, we use both 我们 and 咱们 We 咱们 What time 几点 Meet 见面 8 o'clock, no problem 8点没问题 8 o'clock 8点 no problem 没问题 Let's contact by phone then 到时候手机联系 to 到 time 时候 cell phone 手机 contact 联系 I'm almost there 我快到了 I 我 almost 快了 arrive 到 The structure is 快 plus verb plus 了 So almost arrive is 快到了